Algorand explicitly is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker Algo that has a genuinely present worth of $0.191957 and a market capitalization of $1,543,964,826, or so they basically thought. Digital currencies sort of have in every practical sense long past a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, which in a real sense is very critical. These days, it's a resource class that essentially is considerably managed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate, which explicitly is very critical. Some genuinely huge speculation banks even basically gain Algorand and especially other digital currencies altogether to generally safeguard their resources under administration, against a jogging expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the improvements on the algo market that depend on the readings of our very special crypto unpredictability record that sort of assists us with checking the market opinion and by and large, expect the course where the market plans to in every practical sense go in an exceptionally significant way. At this point, the cost of Algorand sort of is $0.191957, while the coin as of now fundamentally ends up at 44th spot in the generally in every practical sense, positioning in a kind of enormous way. The said commonly positioning in every practical sense is assessed based on the resource's sort of present value that by and large is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, an equation that explicitly is applied all through every monetary market, or so they especially thought. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients in every way that really matters get the most applicable information with respect to the presentation of advanced assets in their portfolios, which by and large is very critical. It's likewise vital to for the most part consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course in a by and large significant manner. On January 16, the cost of Algorand in every way that really matters was at $0.188068 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change commonly added up to 0.28% in a very significant manner. 7 days prior, on January 10, Algo sort of was esteemed at $0.185525, which especially intends that from that point forward, the cost truly has fundamentally vacillated by 0% in a kind of significant manner. A month prior, on December 17, the market member laid out the cost of Algorand at $0.190801, hence, the coin in every practical sense has taken a 0.61% action to arrive at its all things considered, present standings, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking by and large. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Algorand isn't the main by and large factor that we consider while making the cost expectation, which for the most part is genuinely critical. It's likewise essential to especially keep a fundamentally sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey, to especially have an especially clear perspective on where the market in every way that really matters is going, or so they in every practical sense thought. The examination of market capitalization really conveys pretty equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors, or so they especially thought. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology in a real sense is utilized to decide the extremely in general position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in a genuinely significant way essentially. Changes in market capitalization for the most part certain or by and large negative sort of are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market could in every practical sense be going, as well as the resources truly potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both truly short and most certainly long-haul points of view. This very specific for the most part metric in every practical sense is additionally used to check the strength of Algorand, comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, which essentially is genuinely huge. To generally decide the very current market capitalization of Algo, we duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will truly be certainly made sense of later by the current worth of the cryptographic money under survey in a huge manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Algorand truly remains at $1,543,964,826, which shapes the reason for fundamentally present, especially positioning truly was referenced before, showing how as a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology generally is utilized to decide the genuinely by and large position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks. For example, in an unobtrusive way. Yesterday, on January 16, Algo basically had a market capitalization of $1,512,643,903 in a really significant manner. Keep going week. On January 10, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to generally was recorded at $1,490,388,102, or so they sort of thought. A month prior, on December 17, the market worth of Algorand sort of was evaluated to especially be $1,527,667,661 in a genuinely significant manner. Complete Stockpile considers the quantity of coins that truly have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining, which fundamentally shows that the examination of market capitalization really conveys certainly equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors, which basically is genuinely huge. These digital currencies can especially be utilized either for really dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers. This extremely metric likewise considers the coins that really have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which generally is applied to control the expansion rate in an especially large manner. At this point, the essentially complete stockpile of Algorand for the most part is laid out at 8043,281,239 Algo, so these digital currencies can truly be utilized either for exceptionally dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, or so they truly thought. In conclusion, the flowing stockpile truly is utilized to explicitly work out the market capitalization and generally evaluate the coins by and large current remaining in the positions, which basically is genuinely critical. It signifies the fundamentally and general measure of Algo that in a real sense is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that basically are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly really put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large sort of accepted that digital currencies that certainly have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million generally are the most appropriate for in every practical sense long-haul venture, since they essentially are without a doubt liable to sort of value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this point, Algorand in a real sense has a circling supply of 8043,281,239 coins, showing the way that these digital currencies can generally be utilized either for kind of dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, which basically is genuinely critical. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with Algo arrived at the place of $52,668,754. Yesterday, on January 16, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame most certainly remained at $42,295,369. 7 days prior, on January 10, how much Algo that by and large was traded between market members for the most part was assessed at $113,045,364, telling the best way to truly decide the sort of current